Hey everyone, Ashley here, and today we are doing an unboxing. I am super excited to unbox this deck with you. Yes, we are unboxing an Oracle deck. I'm just so thrilled to be able to unbox it here for you guys because it just came in and I've been waiting quite a while for it. I supported this artist on Kickstarter, and that was like at the end of last year, I think in November, and it just now came in and I just can't wait. Okay, so anyways, the artist is Kat Ryalls, and if you are aware or familiar with her work, she does a lot of artwork that's based in nature, and it has such an earthy vibe. Her colors are earthy and it's just stunning. And she has another deck out that is called Roots and Wings, and this is the mini version. A friend of mine gifted this to me and I absolutely love it. The back is stunning. It's like this gorgeous olive green color. I'll just show you just a few cards, but this is her first deck that she came out with, and the cardstock I absolutely love because it's like this matte, like really velvety soft finish. Like it just feels really nice. Really good quality. I really like it. This deck's really wonderful to work with. The guidebook is it's really a really small guidebook, but the message is very clear, and you can use this for like a clarifying deck if you need clarity on a tarot spread or something, or just pulling a card a day from this deck and looking at the message is really fun to sit with. So I love this one a lot. Again, she works a lot with watercolor, so I absolutely love that. So that's Roots and Wings, okay? And here is the box to the new deck. I have not peeked. I did, however, just now take scissors to the tape, so I didn't have to do that on camera for you guys. Oh my gosh, you good. I'm just so excited, you guys. Okay. Oh, I also love the fact that Kat is very, she uses like recycled materials and things, and I really appreciate that. I think that's a really nice touch. Here's some little extras. Oh, it's so pretty. And she wrote a little note back here. Aw, thank you so much. Sending love with these cards. Love, Kat. Oh, that's so sweet. And then she sent like, oh, I love it. Crafty. This is, so this right here, so she sends a little sample card from her Roots and Wings deck. So this is the normal size versus the mini. So it's bigger, but I do love the mini size. But I just think that's such a sweet touch that she adds a little extra bonus card in there. So crafty, I like that. I feel like it's Christmas. Oh my gosh. Oh, cute. Okay. So this is really sweet too. So Kara Simmons wrote a book, You Belong Here. And I love that Kat included a little card in here promoting the book, because I do know that she did that artwork for the cover of it. So I think that's really sweet. So there's that. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this. Okay, I totally forgot that when the Kickstarter was going on, Kat had reached her goal, like her first goal on there. And then she raised it and was like, okay, if we can actually make it to this point, then you guys all get like a wooden token. Oh, it's so pretty. So here's the wooden token she did. She reached the goal, and this is her symbol. This is like her rooted and grounded symbol. I love that. That is so stunning. And then look at the back. You have the moon with birds and stars. This is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I love that. That is so amazing. And you get a bonus sticker. So this is the Phases and Forests Oracle deck, and I'm so excited. I've been following the artwork for quite some time. Here's her little card. And so like been following the progress, the steps that this is it all wrapped up. It's so pretty. But I've just seen like the snippets and the stickers and things that she's been making for it, and it's all just so, so stunning. And the back of this deck, I've seen the back of it, and oh, it's so pretty. Okay, by the way, I love this tissue paper. But look at the box. And it feels so wonderful. It's like this matte feeling, and she made it look like a wooden box, and she signed the back, that's awesome. Okay, I'll read the back to you guys. The Phases and Forest Oracle deck is inspired by the plants and nature of the Blue Ridge Mountains for the purpose of helping us connect to ourselves and the natural world. Each card contains a keyword and a journaling prompt, Included with the 48 cards is a small guidebook to help you dive deeper into the intricate watercolor illustrations. This deck was lovingly created by artist Kat Ryalls over the course of 3 years. This is her second deck following the Roots and Wings Oracle deck. You guys, this deck already holds a very special place in my heart because my family and I, we love the Blue Ridge Mountains. We went there quite a bit last year for vacations, and we just absolutely love the mountains. And so it's already so special. Okay. Ooh, the inside of the box. Look at that. She's got her symbol in there as well. I didn't even see that either. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, yay. Okay. So her attention to detail is pretty amazing. I love it. I love it when people take all the little extra time to do all these little details and make it so fun for us. Okay, here's the little guidebook. It too has like that really, I love the feel. It's like a velvet matte feel, and it's awesome. So you get, oh, okay, I see. So the cards are listed alphabetically. Moon cards listed in the back. Okay, so I also really do love that she included the moon phases in this deck too, which I absolutely love. And I do love that each card has a certain symbol. I remember her talking about that. So like, and I'll have to list her YouTube channel down below because I'm pretty sure she has a video on YouTube talking about it. But by each card, she has a little symbol that represents something, and I cannot remember exactly what it was. So I'm gonna have to watch that video again. But anyways, the guidebook looks like it has a nice little message next to the cards, and then you get the journal prompt, which I do believe is on the card as well. So look at the back. The back is just so gorgeous. I love the back. And I remember I was part of her Patreon when she was talking about the edging. And I think I voted for this color because I really did like the brown. You get that earthy brown with it. And I just think it fits that back so well. Ooh, okay. Here we go, guys. Abundance. And again, the journal prompts on the end, on the bottom there. Look at that. So, so pretty. Oh, and you get the seasons. So here's balance, and it's the autumn equinox. Beginnings. Okay, so it's kind of coming back to me now. So like the symbols that I showed you in the book, there's like the leaf and the tree. So there's ones that are based on the plants, and then there's ones that are based on the trees, and then there's ones that are, again, I can't remember them all, but there's like the hands, which are like the human. So the ones that have, animal, like animal spirit as well. So bringing hope. So winter solstice. I love that she like included everything in this deck. You get all sorts of, you get the seasons, you get the moon cycles. Ooh, childlike wonder. I love that card. I love mushrooms. That is so pretty. Communication. Connected. Courage and fear. And the cardstock, again, really awesome matte feeling. And these are thick. These are pretty thick cards, so it's very good quality. they're going to last a while. I feel like they're just, it's a very good quality. Delicate, Desire. These are so pretty. I absolutely love the colors she chose. I love that. You see the moon phases and that, and the wing endings. I love her mushrooms, and I absolutely love how a lot of the cards have the roots going on. So you really get that grounded earth feeling with all of her roots. Like really just, like this one. This one's Growth and Kindness, but I absolutely love how the feet and hands are like the roots and the vines, and I love that. Health. And I love the questions on the bottom here too. Okay, so for health, it says, in what ways are you finding wellness and the motivation to take care of your health? So I really love that she includes these on here, because you can just easily pull a card in the morning with your journal and work through that question or that thought. So intuition, I love this one. I really love the Luna moths. I think they're just gorgeous, and I love that there's one included on here. Joy, loneliness, and empathy. Meander, navigating, new perspective. Ooh, I like that. Night vision. I love that I've seen a lot of these cards, but like actually being able to hold them and see them and get the detail. Like there's some of them I haven't seen. Like I don't remember this one, but they're all just so gorgeous, and I love being able to hold them and actually see them in person. Observe. I love the owl. Overcome. Oh. Patience. Play. Irradiate. Summer solstice. I love that too. Rebirth, spring equinox. Rooted. Seek and find. Shelter. Oh, this is one of my favorite ones. Favorite cards in the whole deck. I absolutely love this one. Stories of Your Bones. I love this card so much. What are some of the stories and experiences deep within your bones that have helped shape you? I love that so much. And I have to say too, I actually really love the font down here. I remember her doing a poll on Patreon for that too, like what were our opinions on which font she should do down there, but I think this looks really good. I love how the title is this font, and then you get like the cursive written font down here. I really like that. I think it looks good. Really good overall. Well, this one, surfacing. Okay. Tree of Arms. This is another favorite. Again, I just love her trees. I love all the detail and the birds and the sun. Look at the sun at the roots. I love that. Trust. I love the wolf energy too. She has a lot of wolves in here, and I love that. Okay, I love this card too. Vulnerability. I love them all. What am I saying? They're all so pretty, but I really like this one too. Visualize. Okay, so here's the moon cards. So here's the new moon. And we've got brainstorm new ideas, waxing crescent. So I love how each of the moon phases, like each of them has their own specific meaning, and I love how she includes that in here as well. Take action is first quarter. Organize, Waxing Gibbous, Celebrate, Full Moon. Love that. Tend the Garden, Waning Gibbous. Let Go, Last Quarter. And then you have Rest, Waning Crescent. Aw, you guys, I love this deck. I am so thankful to have been able to see that she was coming out with this one and to join the Kickstarter. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And you know what? I think these would be so pretty together. Wouldn't it be pretty to like draw one of the Roots and Wings with this and just like do a good journaling session? I think that would be so fun. Ooh, I might have to do that. All right, you guys, that is the Phases and Forests Oracle deck by Kat Ryalls. And now I do know that she has them in her shop. So I'll leave her website down below in case you're interested and want to go check it out for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys all in the next one. Bye.